An ex-American president faces a Manhattan courtroom indicted with 34 felony counts. Donald Trump is accused of paying hush money and falsifying business records. To fill us in what these charges are and the latest developments regarding the historic case, our Kim Yeon-seung is on the line. So, Yeon-seung, let's start with the specifics of these charges.
Right. Thank you, Dami. Former U.S. President Donald Trump is accused of paying hush money to pipe down claims that could have hurt his chances at the polls during his presidential campaign back in 2016. And this includes payoffs made to two women, including adult film star Stormy Daniels, with whom he allegedly had extra-marital sexual relations with and paid substantial amounts of money to keep their encounter under wraps. But let me be clear, Dami. Hush money is not illegal. But what is illegal is Donald Trump's tinkering with his company's books because he logged these hush payments as legal fees, which falls as illegally falsifying business records under New York state law. And there are over 30 more cases where the grand jury of the County of New York has indicted Trump over accusations of falsifying records in the first degree, which means that he had intent to defraud and intent to conceal the commission of another crime. And all these charges are Class E felonies, meaning that each count carries a maximum prison sentence of 4 years. And if Trump is found guilty on all 34 counts, he could be facing up to 136 years behind bars. And Donald Trump pleaded not guilty, with his defense team claiming that he's being unjustly charged. Trump is seen as one of the most influential men in the U.S., not only as the former commander-in-chief, but also as a business mogul and a key player in real estate. He's also one of the most controversial. He's been mired in a string of scandals and faced an array of criminal investigations, but he has never been charged. In fact, no former American president has ever been criminally charged before him.
So, as widely expected, Trump did plead not guilty to all those charges. Then, what is he saying about the situation at the moment?
Well, he's supposed to be addressing his most avid supporters shortly at his Mar-a-Lago estate in Florida, where he has invited about 500 of his most prominent supporters, including some of the most pro-Trump congressional Republicans. Ahead of his arraignment, however, Donald Trump remained defiant, calling the New York State court a kangaroo court and saying that this is not what America is supposed to be. And this story is obviously developing as we speak, so I'll be sure to bring you more updates in our later newscast. Back to you, Dami.